Hello and welcome to my tutorial about the temporary voice channels of the Discord bot Bobii. Today I want to show you how to add, edit, and remove your temporary Create voice channel. For this, I will first show you all the commands, explain what they do, and later go into detail how the individual commands work. First, let's take a look at the commands. The command /Create-Temp-Channel contains all commands which we can use to create and edit the Create voice channels. The first command /Create-Temp-Channel info is used to get a list of all Create-Temp channels. The second command is to add, and the third command to delete a Create-Temp channel. Then we have the command to update a Create-Temp channel. And finally, we have a command that creates an embed with all the commands shown below. These commands can then be used by the users to edit their temporary voice channel. Users can, for example, change the name or the size of their temporary voice channel, but also much more. If you want to disable one of these commands for your guild, you can do that by using the command /temp toggle. Now, let's have a closer look on each individual command. To add a new Create voice channel, we can use the command /Create-Temp-Channel add. This command has 4 parameters. In the first parameter, we have to choose the voice channel which we want to use here. In the second, we can give the name which the created temporary voice channels will have. This name can include these 3 keywords. In my case, I will use the keyword username. This keyword will be replaced with the username of the user which joins the Create voice channel. The other 2 parameters are optional. We can also give a default size and a delay for the temp channel. The temp channel is deleted with a delay if a delay is added to the Create voice channel, but we won't use a delay in our example. Let's test our channel by joining the used voice channel. The temp channel is created with my username and the channel size of 5, and the temp channel is automatically deleted when I leave the voice channel. Let's say we want to change the name of the Create temp channel. Therefore, we can use the update command. There are 3 subcommands, one for the delay, one for the name, and one for the size. We will use the subcommand name. Now we have to choose the Create voice channel which we want to edit. After sending a pop-up will appear. Let's change the name from username to username is cool. If we join the voice channel now, the temporary voice channel will be created with the name we just specified, once with my username and the lettering is cool. Now we can use the info command to show us a list of all Create temp channels on the server. In our case, only the channel we just created is shown here. If we want to delete the Create temp channel now, we can use the remove command. All we have to do here is select the voice channel from which we want to remove the Create temp channel. No temp channel is now created when we join the general voice channel again. Last, we have the Createcommandlist Command. It creates an embed with all the commands that users can use to customize their temporary voice channel. For example, users can change the name of the temp channel. Another cool feature is the Save Config command. It saves the configuration of the user. And when creating a new temp channel, this configuration will be loaded again. If you want to disable a command for your community, you can do that with the command temp toggle. Let's say we want to disable the change name command. Once we disable it, the command can no longer be used. Furthermore, this command will no longer be displayed on the overview list when we recreate it. Alright, that's it with the tutorial. I hope I could make the use of Bobii a little easier for you. Feel free to leave a like and a comment with a function that I could add to Bobii in the future.